probe, and there was in fact a meeting of the Parliamentary Standing Committee on Personnel, Public Grievances, Law and Justice today, and in that meeting we are getting to know the Justice Verma case was raised by the members, and we have the inside details of what really happened in that particular meeting. Let me straight away go across to my colleague Pragya, joining us live right now for more on this. Pragya, I believe MPs asked why no FIR was filed.
Absolutely, there was a raging question, in that particular Parliamentary Standing Committee meeting where they asked why no FIR was registered. In fact, there was a lot of discussion on K. Veeraswamy versus Union Government of India case as well, where there was where it says that it needs a consultation with the CGI before registering or taking action against any sitting judge. However, having said that, despite the discussions, many members said that there should have been an FIR against Justice Verma, considering the images that we had seen of the burnt cash. In fact, there are many members who also said that there is no, option of suspending a sitting judge if there is a, grave allegation of corruption on a sitting judge. So they said that, CGI suspended Justice Verma, took away the cases and worked from him. However, members said that he kept on enjoying the perks like cars, staff, etc. Everything was given to him. His residence is still there. All of that questions have been raked up by the members and saying that there should have been an action. And in fact, many of them also raised question on conduct of judges. Right. That was in fact the agenda of the meeting. They said that this may be on paper, but this is never implemented when it comes to judges. So judiciary needs to have its own code of conduct which is implementable and is also practiced by these judges. But having said that, these members also raised many questions on Justice Verma, and in fact it seems that they were all concerned about the role of judiciary. They have the faith in judiciary, but they say that
so the issue of accountability in judiciary is something that also is something that the members raised. Thank you very much, Pragya, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on the story. We'll come back to you for more on this. For now, slipping into a very, very short break. We'll be back with lots more. Don't go anywhere.